Hello there. My name is Johannes Alejandro Canlas Pilasa, and today I will be recording my AST 10692 additional individual project into the unknown using a video diary. Hope that can suffice. Anyway, let's get into what I chose to learn from my video diary. I chose to learn React.js from the W3 School's website. Without further ado, let's jump into it.
Hmm. I guess it's on right now. All right. Hello, everyone. It's me, Janice, and today I'm gonna show you what I learned on like the 16th of May 2020. That's basically day one of this Into the Unknown diary. So the first video I watched, first the first thing I wanted to do was, let's say, find out which to learn. I thought of, let's say, choosing Angular JS. Like this video kind of explained to me what Angular JS was, and like at first I was like thinking of like doing Angular. Then I also went to this video here to like say find out, let's say, whether React was good, and I just like went to, let's say, multiple videos to see whether React was good, and then afterwards I just also take a look about jQuery. This guy actually really explained it really well. 1 month. Also explore some other options: JSON, Ajax, those two, and Vue. And basically those three I just then decided it would be worth it to work to learn. Now and also, let's say, found some videos to say Angular versus, let's say, React. And one thing I found out from, let's say, comparing Angular and React was that Angular was, you had to learn TypeScript. So, but then I didn't want to really like learn TypeScript, so I decided against it. So after that, I decided to, let's say, go with React as for final thing. So after that is after, let's say, looking looking for my skill to learn, I decided to study a bit about JavaScript, especially the DOM, or like the document object model. And then I just watched a couple of JavaScript tutorials until I stumbled across this one here. It's made by the Net Ninja. After that, I like discovered this rabbit hole of tutorials, and I discovered this after looking around. So yeah, I think at that point, I decided to start using this guy's tutorials for like JavaScript for
Yo guys,
beginners.
what's going on? Yo.
Whoopsie daisy. Hello. Whoa. Sorry about that. So I guess my summary, I wrote that I spent the first day figuring out what I want to learn. At first, I decided to learn. Yeah, okay, it's basically what I just said right now. And I guess this is it for today. See you on day two.
Well, that's all for today. See you guys next time. Hello again. Guess this is day 2 of the video diary. Let's jump into it.
Hello, guys. Welcome to day 2 of Johanna's Into the Unknown diary. So for my day 2 research, which was on the 17th of May 2020, I've decided to, as I mentioned in the previous video, I've decided I've decided to learn from the Net Ninja. So I basically watched, let's say, episode 1 until episode 3, or let's say, episode 3, which is basically the halfway point of this tutorial. And I've learned, let's say, a lot of interesting concepts of JavaScript. Considering we only had, let's say, 3 lessons to learn, let's say the functions of JavaScript and even jQuery, I honestly didn't really think it's enough. But we'll have to do what we have to do. But so far, I've actually enjoyed learning about JavaScript, and I have basically learned, I guess, some simple concepts. Yeah, and as I wrote in my summary here, let's say I need to learn JavaScript in order to learn how like React functions. So far I think doing pretty well. I guess is it for today. Stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.
Well, that's all for today. Hope to see you guys next time. Hello again. I guess this is day 3 of the video diary. Funny thing today was, I think I was being followed. Nah, it's probably just my imagination. Anyway, but I digress. Let's jump into it.
Hello, what's up, folks? Hello, what's up, folks? It's day 3 of Johannes' Into the Unknown Diary on the 18th of May, 2020. So today I basically finished all of this, like from episode 23 over here, and not a number, to basically what to study next for, like, after this JavaScript, like, for beginner tutorial. So from honestly, I think after the thing that I think the thing that I got the most from this, like, watching this guy called the Net Ninjas tutorials, is that I think I can use him as, let's say, future reference for like learning more stuff about web development. So I guess that's one of the good things about this Into the Unknown Diary stuff, is I get to find new sources of, let's say, how to learn new things, for especially for web development. um I can't really say, because I'm not really qualified, as to say, because I'm still a student studying. But I would actually suggest this tutorial, like this dude's channel, for like other students who are studying web development, because according to my friends and, like, I mean, me personally, I think I understand the stuff he's teaching. So yeah, that's cool. So right now, I guess I have a basic understanding of how JavaScript works after watching this JavaScript tutorials for beginners. So I guess that's all for I learned today. Pretty interesting stuff. Now that I can use my knowledge in order to continue on to the React tutorials. Well, that's all for today. See you guys on day 4.
Well, that's all for today. See you guys next time. Jeez, you wouldn't believe what happened today. There were like a couple of dudes who jumped me. Barely made it out there alive. I think they're after my research on this project here. Nonetheless, let's jump right into it.
Yo, it's your boy Johannes here with the day 4 of the day 4 of the Into the Unknown Diary. So yeah, since I finally watched the JavaScript tutorials, now I have basic understanding of, like, JavaScript at this point. So now I think I can move on to the React tutorials. So far, I watched episode 1 to episode 8, and honestly, yeah, there is a lot to uncover within these 8 episodes. So from what I've seen, there's a lot of things you have to install for React. I'll have to get to that. Try to, let's say, make React work first. Install everything first, actually. So yeah, and I guess watching it after the JavaScript, like, for beginners tutorial thing, I kind of feel that I missed a lot before going here. I skipped a lot of things, but oh well. Now that I've committed to it, I think I should be able to continue with it. All right. Till the next time. Once I finish these tutorials. See ya later, alligator.
Well, that's all for today. See you guys next time, hopefully. Door's locked. Make sure no one's following me. Got it. Oh. Hi. Didn't see you guys over there. Stuff happened. Nearly died today. But I learned more stuff today. Let's jump into it.
Yo. Yeah, this is day 5 of the tutorial. Yeah, that's day 5. Yeah, the stuff. Yeah, as I was doing the previous tutorial, I was like watching the Net Ninjas React JS tutorials, and let's say from episode 9 to episode 16, and yeah, after watching it, I just feel rather overwhelmed. But I will try my best to do it. So, do do like the makes an application or something, probably something similar to the tutorials on React. Um, it's gonna take some time, so I don't think I'm gonna update the diary until I make what I am supposed to make. Also, I thought there is an issue that it might actually not work out, but whatever I do, I'll just submit to you. Yep, that's it for today. Hope to see you next time.
Oh, that's all for today. Hope to see you guys. Oh no, they found me. Okay, you want to play rough? Okay. Say hello to my little friend. I guess this is it. You've got me cornered. I don't have much time left. The people who are after me are the Chaos Insurgency. By the way, let's get into it.
Hello, this is Johannes, and this is the final log for the AST 10962 final individual project into the unknown diary. So on this, I'm making this on the last day, and I have to bear the bad news that I was not able to get React JS to work. Unfortunately, the worst has come. The main reasons why that I wasn't able to get React JS to work was that, according to what I was looking at, in order to get, I was following some rather outdated information in order to get React JS to work. For unfortunately, they have updated and made some changes which I was not able to troubleshoot. Most of the problems involved the Webpack. Unfortunately, I wasn't not able to get it working properly. However, I was able to at least type some code, so at least I have something to present. Considering I was not able to create it, I will just explain what I was planning to do. I was planning to create a to-do list using React.js, which could add items as well as remove items. As I was following the Net Ninja tutorial, it would work something like this. Yes, that is what the finished product should have looked like. However, I was not able to create such a thing because I was unable to troubleshoot the issues with React.js. I guess with the benefit of hindsight now, if I were to choose something back then, if I had the benefit of hindsight, I mean, I would have chosen something else, possibly jQuery instead. But I guess I was too ambitious and just and chose React JS as well, which I was mostly unsure about. As and all right, so basically, I'll show the stuff that I did. I tried making some CSS and JS according to the videos. I don't really think they're gonna be meaningful because the Webpack wouldn't was is not working. But at least I did something. But that does not excuse me. I should have probably spent more time on this. I rather underestimate the situation. However, I would say not all of it is in vain. considering that this project has taught me to has given me excuse me has given me the resources in order to further pursue both web development and other programming languages. Considering the Net Ninja tutorials would probably be a useful resource for me in the future. Therefore, in order to, let's say, improve upon my failure in this project, I will promise to find more ways to improve my coding in the future. Therefore, although this project was a failure, I would there's some light in the end of the tunnel. Excuse me. There are some basically good lessons to learn from this failure, such as finding resources to help in learning web development and programming. So I guess this is the final log. I'll be on the run now. This is Johannes signing out.
Ugh, that's some good stuff. Since I'm on the run now, don't send anyone after me. I gotta do this alone.
Hey, have you heard of that disease called ligma?
What's ligma?
Ligma balls!
It's him! You know too much. You're coming with me.
Not if I shoot you first.